Intercom Messenger app. The pros, the cons. Intercom Messenger app is more than just a chat tool. Most people get this wrong. It's a customer messaging platform designed to engage, support, and convert visitors across web, mobile, and social channels. On the pros side, Intercom offers real-time chat, in-app messaging, and automated bots to answer common questions instantly. Its integration with CRM, email marketing, and analytics tools helps teams personalize communication. Features like targeted messaging, lead capture, and workflow automation boost sales and engagement. The mobile app ensures teams can respond on the go, keeping customer conversations timely and effective. On the con side, Intercom can be expensive for small businesses, especially with advanced automation features. Some users feel there is a learning curve to fully utilize targeting and workflows, and customization may require technical expertise. In conclusion, Intercom Messenger app is ideal for businesses that want to proactively engage customers while streamlining support. While pricing and complexity are considerations, its real-time messaging, automation, and integration capabilities make it a powerful tool for improving communication, customer engagement, and conversion.